Hi guys. Today we gonna learn to make DIY paper basket. Best origami paper basket making ideas, easy paper crafts tutorials. So you need some required materials. First you have to take a 5-inch wide circle shape of yellow color paper, then crease it by your hands as like showing on the screen.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Now take a compass and draw a circle on it. Keep your eyes carefully. Cut through the creasing line by a scissor till the circle area. Keep cutting the rest side. Have some glue each cut inside and attach it with other part as like showing on the video. Make it same of rest of the parts. Now take a blue color narrow sized paper and have some glue beside the both side of this basket, then attach the both corner of the narrow sized paper to the basket. Now take another sized paper as like showing on the video. Crease it and make a draw on it. Keep your eyes carefully. Cut it through the line with scissor. Crease its side as like showing on the video. Have some glue on middle of it and put a stone there. Make it more by the same way. Attach them around the basket as like showing on the video. Keep attaching. Keep attaching. Wow, we made a fantastic paper basket. So by this we can make more DIY paper basket. Best origami paper basket making ideas, easy paper crafts tutorials.